Well, maybe you're a leading innovator as well. Huh? Why not? I'm sure you liked that description.
Yes, I like that.
Hello again, everyone. Madeline here from 3D Natives, where, as you know, we are talking with some of the exhibitors at Rapid Plus TCT 2024 in collaboration with SME. And I have here with me Italian-American producer of large format robotic additive manufacturing solutions, Caracol. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you so much, man.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Violetta Nespol, and Chief Marketing and Strategy Officer at Caracol.
Pleasure to meet you. What is one word that you would use to describe Rapid Plus TCT?
I would describe it as dynamic. It's a great opportunity to see all of the innovations in the US.
It definitely is that. Where would you see the industry, the additive manufacturing industry, in the next 20 years? And Caracol as well.
Yes, so we hope to see these technologies really become part of the industrial supply chains for the printing of advanced components across from aerospace, automotive. We're trying to do a lot of case studies and develop a process to really consolidate what it does and ensure that it is integrated within existing technologies and it becomes part of that workflow.
What is the importance of events like Rapid Plus TCT for Caracol?
So we're building a lot of awareness for this type of process, which is kind of newer in the US. And so we want to showcase what robotic large-scale printing actually is, show what the machine can do, show the types of parts and applications we can print. And this is a perfect stage for us to do that.
Thank you once again, Violetta, for being here with us today.
Thank you so much, Madeline.